Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your language on your Coinbase application. Make sure to subscribe to this channel before we dive into if you will find this guide useful. So on Coinbase you want to go on your settings and on, for example, profile and settings, scroll down until you see that you cannot change your language here specifically. So what you need to do is go ahead to your phone settings and go ahead and find a Coinbase application. Here you should see to change your language. I'm going to show you how it looks like. For me, for me specifically, it doesn't work for some reason. Maybe because I'm on an iPhone. Basically, it should look something like so, preferred language, and then you can go ahead and change it. So that's one way how to do this on Coinbase application. If you want to change it on Coinbase itself, it's really easy to do this. Once you have logged into your Coinbase account, you want to scroll down to the bottom, and here at the bottom you will see languages, which you can change to these ones. And that's basically it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.